Ki bor pinya jong ka Bethany Hospital nongpo minta ka janmit kila pilong ka jing Thang Mombati kum ka jing sngolem halor ka jing sha le bi ijot mat sha penyap dusmon ka we ka doktor ka barang sha hikai ha RG Kal Medical College and Hospital ha Kolkata. Yakatay ka jing Thang Mombati na shimbinta ri kinong tre ka Bethany Hospital na du ki doctor ki nurse bat kinong tre ha ka ba ka tay ka jaka sumar ka don ringkat bat ka jing ki doctor ha kari baro ka way bandawa ya ka hok jong ka tay ka samla bat ban pintik na ya ka jing shingan na ka binta ki khun kintay bat kinong tre ka kwat ka kya ba kum ki tay ki jingjia kim day bandang jia shu nang ni shakman. Shushu nakaliang ki bor pinyat ka Bethany Hospital, kila pinbana babaro ki OPD, jong ki tanat ka Bethany Hospital, kabadon ha umsning, nong po abat bernihat, kin Khang kerdep lashay ka sngi ka khanyo tarik, kum ka jing kershan lang, hadiin ka jing pinbana jong ka Indian Medical Association, ka jing ki ba arpusaw kinta, bandawa ya ka hok jong ka tay ka samla, pat ka jing shngan ki nong tre ka tanat ka kwat ka kya, but unplay tangi ki jaka sumar bakir ki emergency
A lot of
services.
challenges, difficulties, and harassment, maybe physical, mental, or verbal. We just ask for simple, basic safety in environment in our workplace, but still we still face such kind of issues, and we strongly condemn such things. Women safety is still a big question in our society. And in, in respect to that incident, I really feel bad. I don't even have any more speech. I'm really speechless. Like I cannot express how much I feel bad in that incident. If it was me, I will still. I don't know how she went through that incident. So all I can say is I really strongly condemn that incident, and I really hope everyone and every woman in the society have safety environment workplace and where we can live like safely. All this I can ask. I'm really speechless. I'm really feeling bad from inside. I don't even have any word to say. I'm so sorry, but thank you. And I hope justice for her.
A few days for us, a member of our fraternity had faced such horrendous acts of violence which is beyond uh, thinkable. She had suffered so much, and that too in the line of duty. She was doing her work in the place where she thought that she she had safety, but instead her life was taken away in spite of uh, the comfort which she thought she had. So we demand from the government a more safer, protected environment, not only for us, for our fraternity, but for every female uh, uh, workers, be it any field. It can be in the office, it can be in the schools, it can be in anywhere. We need to protect our dear sisters. They should feel safe to work. The environment where they can give their best, the service which they give their best to our people, to our society. So these few words, I really condemn this horrendous act which has happened in the government hospital in Kolkata, and I really wish the family, I condone my deepest condolences to the family, and may her soul rest in peace. Yes. So as a mark of, in terms with the Indian Medical Council has called for, just a mark of to show that a solidarity with the whole of the doctors fraternity of the country, we from Bethany hospitals will be not functioning our routine OPDs, but our emergency services will be available. Anyone can still come to the hospitals. Yes, routine OPDs is closed for tomorrow. Other works, emergency works will continue.